let's understand the implicit and the explicit type assignment in the TypeScript. So let me just create a variable called n here, and I'm saying number, it's a 10. So what we are doing here, we are explicitly mentioning that is this particular n is a number. So this is something called an explicit type assignment where we are mentioning explicitly like it's a number. Let's suppose I'm not giving this particular number. So now in this case, the TypeScript compiler itself understanding n is a number. If you just hover your cursor also, it will very clearly tell you it is considering it as a number. So even though after this, you're trying to give it some string here, it will not accept because this is implicit type. Already they have TypeScript is assigned as a number as an implicitly. So it is equivalently to this one. So it is just our comfort, like either we are giving or the TypeScript is giving. So whatever the first value you are assigning, based upon that, the TypeScript will implicitly assign the data type for a particular variable. Let's understand also with an interesting example now. So I'm saying let n, and this time I'm just declaring a variable. I'm not assigning any value to that particular variable. So there is no data type we have mentioned to the variable n. Okay, so let's carefully observe. I'm saying n equals to 10. Everything is valid. Everything is fine. Perfect. So n is a number. Sure. So let me say n equals to ABC. Should it start giving me error now? No, it's not giving me the error. So I'll just give you a minute to think on it. Why in this case, when we are assigning it's a number, so of course it's a first assignment, it should become a number data type. But then again, I'm doing it something like a JavaScript, changing my data type of a number variable. It should not allow me in the TypeScript. So think on it. I'll give you a minute how exactly it's happening. Yes. So the reason for that, if you just hover your cursor on this particular variable n, it will show you it is by default considered as an any. When you are not assigning any value, so TypeScript don't have anything to understand what data type it should implicitly assign to it. So by default, it assign any when you are just declaring a variable and not initializing it. So this is equivalent to this syntax, and that's the reason it is accepting a number as well as a string. So hope you understand how the implicit and the explicit type assignment is working in the TypeScript.